gonna try to catch a Pileated today. Good morning, Kentucky. Hella y'all. I'm great. Told you Louisville's gonna cover. Let's go Cards. I hit a nice little Chucky 6 assist. So the kid's name's Terrence Edwards. We went from monsoon to blizzard to a semi-frozen tundra this morning. I mean, that's my dad's tundra. It's not frozen, but you know what I mean. That's another reason I need to redo all the chain mechanisms on these gates, is because when it's cold like this, they're frozen. I believe them old cows are nosing up against the barn door. My arm feels better, but it still hurts. That action there, dump the feed out. Now I feel good. We're still not swollen, and it's a lot better than it was, so. Dodged a bullet there. Be careful, old man. Like we're waiting in line, let us in. Look at little red up there leading the line. Yeah, y'all got frozen water, it looks like. Alright, let me let these cows in. I'll get right back to you. Snow frost coating on everything. Stinging my face. It's not 20 degrees. That's really about as cold as I like it, to be honest with you. 20 is not bad. Come on, you sucker. Ah, yeah, excellent. Like, hell no, we ain't coming out of here. You out your cotton picking mind, son. Is cotton picking more offensive than saying goddamned? Food looks good. Water is frozen. Forgot to bring fresh chicken water out because it's totally frozen. 20 degrees, is the spigot going to be frozen? I think probably so, but I'm going to try it. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Stay warm, ladies. Probably should have gave them all a little bit more bedding yesterday or the day before, but didn't. They'll be fine, they're chickens. Done lasted through the dinosaur extinction. I think they'll be fine. What's a little downy woodpecker? That's a little downy woodpecker, yeah it is. Can't tell the difference between the downies and the hairies. I guess just the downies are just the tinier ones than the ones. I feel like the hairies are not that much bigger, but maybe I don't have any hairies out here. Is that guy also a downy? Or is he hairy? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if this Pileated's out here yet. No. But I'm stalking his spot out. If he shows up today, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him.